Hey, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about wheel of a luxury car. So, in the first session, we are going to discuss the introduction of wheel. When you sit behind the wheel of a luxury car, something changes. It's more than just a vehicle, it's a statement, an experience from the moment your hand grip the wheel. You can feel the craftsmanship, the precision, and the sheer power of your fingertips. The wheel is where control meets elegance, and every detail is designed to offer you the ultimate driving experience. Craftsmanship and design. Let's talk about the design. The wheel of a luxury car is a masterpiece in itself, wrapped in materials. It's more than just comfortable, it's built to perfection. Every stitch, every curve is crafted with care, ensuring that it not only looks stunning but feels incredible in your hands. The weight, the texture, everything has been engineered to provide you with the perfect balance between comfort and control. There is where from made function is the most sophisticated way possible. Nowadays, technology at your fingertips. But it's not just about looks, the wheel is also the hub of cutting edge technology. With integrated controls at your fingertips, everything is right where you need it. Whether it's adjusting the music, managing your navigation, or engaging driver assist features, the wheel of a luxury car is designed to make your drive smoother and more connected. Every button and every feature is intuitive, allowing you to focus on the road while staying in command of your driving experience. It's like having a command center in palm of your hand. Performance and precision. And then there is the performance, the way the wheel responds to your slightest touch, whether you are cruising on the highway or navigating tight corners. The precision of luxury cars' steering wheel is unmatched. It's designed to give you complete control while delivering a driving experience that feels effortless. Every turn, every movement feels smooth and deliberate. The wheel becomes an extension of you, allowing you to maneuver with confidence and ease, no matter the road ahead. Finally, we are here at the conclusion of tires. So, the next time you sit behind the wheel of a luxury car, take a moment to appreciate the artistry who made this wheel, who gave the idea of creation of this, the technology and the precision that it represents. It's more than just a tool, it's the key to unlock an unparalleled driving experience. A luxury car is not just about getting from point A to point P. It's about the feeling of the drive, and it all starts with your hand on the wheel. If you really enjoyed our video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like our video.